name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Deli Romadini. I'm here would like to talk to you and tell you about the important wearing seatbelt. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody make choice every day. It could be something basic like what color of shirt you wear, or something major like should I put on a seatbelt. I hold the opinion that all of these choices have an impact on our life. I hope all of you who are listening to this speech today make the bigger choice of wearing your seatbelts in your day-to-day traveling. The rate of deaths has been on the rise, and this has concerned me. This has initiated my urge to do this reason. I believe that everybody who is driver and a passenger and everybody whose means of transport is a vehicle should and supposed to put on a seatbelt. When you are driving or even riding in a vehicle, putting on your seatbelt will bring down your chance of death, serious injury in case of a major accident. I will first avail to you a predicament that has dramatic consequences but could be handled very easily. Then I will deliberate on a feasible solution to aid in bringing down this predicament. Finally, I will tell you how you can handle the problem on a personal level. Let us first begin by discussing about some of the repercussions of not putting on your seatbelt. Not belting up can consequently lead to death or fatal injuries. Too many uninjuries deaths occur each year for the elementary reason. People just don't put the seatbelt. According an article in the Lincoln Journal started in August 2002, Nebraska highway loss of lives is the last 21 years, claiming more than 150 lives. In 2002, about 5 people lost their life for not putting on seatbelts. People make unjustifiable excuses like, I am a good driver for not wearing a seatbelt. This is one of the many excuses. Ladies and gentlemen, now that I have stated the repercussion of not putting on your seatbelt, I would like to state the solution to the issues. There is only one major solution to the problem. Put on your seatbelt. This resolution could be achieved via several ways. The first intervention was in 1966 when Congress passed the National Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act. The next thing is to get the federal government to make a motorist put on belt by making laws calling human aid. In conclusion, Putting on your seatbelt will bring down the jeopardy of bodily injury. Seatbelts are very essential to motorists and passengers of vehicles. If you get involved in a tragic accident, wearing your seatbelt will diminish your possibility of death or critical injury, whether you are driver or passenger. Next time you ride in a vehicle, be warned that repercussion or you will be in a tragic crash at least sometime in your life. Seatbelt almost triples the possibility of hold on in a tragic crash. Please spend those important 3 seconds of your time and buckle on your seatbelt. I think that's all my speech. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.